Starting this December 2nd, Orthodox will be hosting its second annual Beginner Steel Mace competition. Come unleash your inner warrior with these 4 exciting events. The Crown Killer, the double-handed 360 swing, the double-handed 300 swing, and the single-handed 300 swing. Are you ready to embark on this exhilarating fitness journey like no other? Join us for a day of strength, skill, and camaraderie at this one-of-a-kind event tailored especially for you. It's only $25 for members and $35 for non-members. Test your skill in one event or sign up for all 4 and see if you can become the Steel Mace Grand Champion. Register now on the Orthodox app or under events on the orthodox.com website. You do not want to miss out on this unforgettable day of fitness, growth, and camaraderie. Whether you're a newbie or a fitness fanatic, this event promises to be an inspiring experience for all.